Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to do the highly requested topic of how to identify a good trade. So on my Telegram, which the link is in the description, I did a poll and I let you guys choose the topic of the video, and by 50% of the vote you guys voted high to identify a good trade. I get this message a lot. I also get this highly requested from the people that I teach as well on my one-on-one. The main thing a lot of people struggle with is how to identify a good trade entry, when to get in a trade, when to get out of trade, when's a good time to buy and when's a good time to sell. And I'm going to be covering my recent basic attention token trade. So I just want to take it back. So if you guys don't follow me already, go and give me a follow on my Telegram. So this morning I gave a trade idea of basic attention token. I said it's bouncing off recent support. We had the breakout of the down sloping resistance and we're looking for further upside. And I said if we have a strong 4-hour candle closure, then price is going to absolutely fly. And I tracked this trade in real time, and as you can see, we ended up making huge profits on this trade, guys. So if you don't already, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys. This is another great trade we've made again today. We also made a great Neo trade as well. So our Neo trade is currently running in very good profit. So I'm going to go to basic attention token against the US dollar, and I've done a rewind of this chart, and I'm just going to walk you through of what I was looking at and why I took this trade myself. So as you can see, basic attention token on the 4-hour, so obviously this will differ from time frame to time frame, but if you're swing trading, I usually do the 4-hour, the daily, and even the weekly time frame. I just want to show you. So as you can see, we have this nice trend line that's been respected time and time again. We are making new highs and we are making new higher lows. So that shows me we are in an uptrend. So I noticed that we was coming to the squeeze of this formation. We had this down sloping resistance where price was getting rejected every time we was touching that resistance, and every time we were touching the support, we had a bounce. As you can see, bounce here, a bounce here, a bounce here in price, and a bounce here, and then price was getting rejected. And as we was coming closer and closer to the apex of this triangle, I could sense, it's like a trading sense instinct, if you like. I could see it was coming to the apex of this pattern, of this symmetrical pattern. And as per classical technical analysis, if you are in a uptrend and you have a symmetrical triangle like this, it usually is a continuation pattern. The one I was waiting for, if we did have a break to the upside, and I was waiting to see how this candle was going to close. So I'm going to give a quick fast forward. So again, was consolidating tighter and tighter, and as you can see, if I zoom in a bit more, price was still trading within this tight range here, and as we got closer, we had this massive bullish engulfing candle. And what did we do? We broke out of this down sloping resistance, and that showed me a potential long trade could be on the cards, but I was waiting to see how this candle closure was going to happen. So also what I did, I gave this fib retracement here. Let me just zoom in. So as you can see, we topped out here, so we had this little double top on the 4-hour, but look where price found retracement, bang on the 382, and that showed me that I could load up on more positions because we found that support on a retracement. So one of the things I do, if we have this massive engulfing candle, I will do a fib retracement from the bottom of the candle to the top, see where price gets retraced to. So it shows me it closed at the 382 and we closed above. So I loaded up more positions on this, and look what happened. Again, look at that perfection to the 618. We found resistance here at the 618, added further positions. And there we go, and then we topped up at 24.7 cents. So at the moment, we're looking for another possible retracement to the 0.27. I mean, the golden retracement is the 618. At the moment, I am currently out of this trade. I took my profits at the top just to show you again why we took the profits at the top here, because it aligns with previous resistance on the 4 hour. So we had a lot of price action, a lot of candle resistance in this zone here, and that's with price previously zone found resistance. To retest this next high, I mean, you might be saying, when's the next trade? Personally, if I was going to take a next long trade, we'll have to break above this grey zone. As you can see, we had this double rejection on the 2 4-hour candles here, so I'll be looking for a long position if we did break above this region. Further positions can be added. I mean, if we do hit the 618 and we find some kind of support here, then we could be looking for another upside trade. But at the moment, till price decides where to go, I am staying out of this trade. So very simple. Just want to give a brief overview of how I took this trade in and why it was a good entry. Like I said, we had the break out of the downsloping resistance. Also, I forgot to mention, when we had this bullish engulfing candle, we had the MACD cross to the upside. That shows you that there was momentum in this trade, and as you can see, the momentum sustained here, and then we closed up in nice profit. Also, when you're taking this trade, it's also, you have to look about where the next significant resistance here, and this showed me, I mean, if you see here, we had one candle resistance here, and then we closed again under this zone, so that showed me this was a significant area of interest where I will be taking potential profits, and I took profits in this zone here, and then I waited to see if we was going to break above this zone here to add further positions. By the way, as you can see, we're starting to retrace, and very simple what you can do. So I will drag this fib retracement up to this zone here, so we take it from the most significant low to the most significant high. And as you can see, we have these two areas of interest. If we do hit the 618 fib and we find some kind of support here, and we find some support, I'll be looking to retest this high, and then these will be my next upside targets here. So I'll keep you guys up to in real time, up to speed with this trade on my free Telegram, guys. Like I said, if you don't follow me already, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram. My followers have made great gains today for free. Once again, I give all my up-to-date trades analysis on my free Telegram. Also want to quickly cover BTC and what's going on at the moment. So BTC, once again, very similar. I had this drawn on this morning. I said, look guys, if we broke out of this downslope resistance, we can see further upside. Just want to show you guys what I drawn out this morning on my Telegram. If I can just find it, so I draw it here. So I said price has crept above the resistance. I need to see a price break above the grey zone to see price fly, and look what happened, guys. As soon as we had a break, we had a tap of this resistance, so we broke, retested, and then price flew high, and we topped out at 9,567, which makes sense because it aligns perfectly where we've had this previous resistance here. Look how accurate that is. So we could have anticipated. Now I'm looking, if we do have the 4-hour candle closure above this grey zone here, so we would have taken out these three previous highs here, that will be bullish for me, and then we can be looking to trade within this new trade zone here, and then be looking to trade high and then retest these most recent highs here. But like I said, to see any kind of confirmation, I will need a candle closure above this whole region here, guys. So hope you enjoyed this quick overview of why I took this bat trade and why I entered where I did, and where I'm currently looking at for to take the next trade. I mean, trading, guys, you need a lot of patience, guys. You need to anticipate these moves. If I didn't have this confirmation here, there's no way I would have taken this trade, because price could have carried on just making these lower highs like we've been making. But once we had a break, that showed us potential upside was possible. Also, like I said, with the MACD, it also gave us another confirmation that we could be crossing bullish. As you can see, we had this bullish crossover here on the MACD that showed us momentum was in our favor, and it was a favored position to go long. Let me know in the comment section, did you go long, guys? Did you follow my bat trade? I mean, give me a shout out, guys. And like I said, I'm going to be tracking this BTC price action, seeing what happens. I'm going to be tracking it real time on my Telegram, guys. So go and give me a follow on my free Telegram. Once again, you will not regret it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comments section. Let me know, guys, what you think, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Thanks again for watching, and Crypto Chris over and out, and I'll see you guys on the moon.